Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day, guys. All right, it's Money Monday is what I like to call it. I'm back, guys, on behalf of 30-Day Success Formula. I've been in the program now for 30 days, okay? It's a direct mail marketing program that's been around for 4 years, okay? And they offer money-back guarantee, 90-day money-back guarantee. And they will do your first mailing for you. They will mail out 200 letters for you, okay? That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, they've been flying under the radar for 4 years doing this offline, okay? So, you definitely want to get in this program. You want to join my team. I've got a team that we just started a Facebook group. We put all the pertinent information in that group, so when you join and we receive your payment, you can go there and get all the information to get you started with the program. For everybody that joins me at level 2 and higher, level 2 is going to get 200 leads. If you come in higher, you get more leads, okay? So reach out to me and I'll go over that with you, okay? But today, make sure you subscribe. That's the other thing. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys, today I am back and I want to kind of show you some results that I have, okay? And it's just getting better and better. This program is getting better. They're also going to add more products. We've got a new sales letter that's going to be coming out, so it's just getting better and better. Now, today what I've got for you is I've got 6 packages, okay? 6 packages. So we're going to open these rather quickly and I'll show you what we got here. See this one here. Hang on. Let's get started. Stephanie Clark out of Virginia. Okay, let's do this one. Hang on. Gotta open these pretty quick. But you definitely want to get in this, guys. We got great mailing list companies that you're going to use to do your mailings going forward. Even though the company's going to mail 200 out for you, you got to do your own mailings going forward. Okay, she joined at level 1, and I'm going to open this, and she put some money in here. Okay, it should be 30 bucks. Yep. Okay, 30 bucks from Stephanie. Let me cover her information. Okay, level 1. Okay. Awesome. Okay. We got that one. Next. See what we got here. Okay, this is Judy from the Virgin Islands. How about that, guys? Judy from the Virgin Islands. Welcome, Judy. Welcome, Stephanie. I'm trying to get this open, guys. I'll add you guys to the Facebook group. Reach out to me if you're not on Facebook. That's fine, but it'll be a great place to be so you can engage with the team. Level 2, guys. It should be 100 bucks from Judy. Let's see. She wrapped it very well. Okay. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay. Thanks, Judy. Welcome aboard. She's going to get 200 leads right there. Level 2. Okay. Awesome. France. France. He's from Orlando. Welcome aboard. From Orlando. Okay. All right. Wrapped it good. Put it in an envelope. In a magazine. Okay. See what we got here. I don't want to tear it. All right. All right. Get this one. Okay, level 2. Level 2 should be 100 bucks. Woo! That's 250s, guys. You see that? 250s. Okay, France. Welcome aboard, buddy. Level 2. Okay. Voila. Okay. Keep it moving. Another one. Ellis. Welcome aboard, Ellis. He wrapped it really good. He wrapped it in another envelope. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. Hang on, guys. I don't know if I can get in this one. I might need some scissors. Hang on. Let's see if we can get it open. I don't know if I can get this one open. I see it in there. I might have to, and I'm out at a Wi-Fi location, so I'm not prepared. Oh, there we go. They will tear it. Ha. Hang on. Hi, I'm Ellis. Level 2. Okay. Whoa. Benjamin. Boom. Okay. Level 2. Oh, he didn't put this order form in there. But $100, that means that's level 2. Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Ellis from Orlando. All right, Jeremy. Welcome aboard. Okay. Let's see what we got in this one. Level 1. Jeremy is in Illinois. $30. Thanks, Jeremy. $30, guys. Level 1. Okay. Level 1. Okay. So this thing is going haywire. Okay. One more package. This is Wayne. Wayne is from Georgia. Welcome, Wayne. I spoke to Wayne on the phone. Great guy. Awesome. Look forward to working with you, my friend. From Mableton, Georgia. All right, Wayne. Covered it very well. Let's see what we got here. Level 2. Another $100, guys. Okay. Level 2. Okay. So, 30-day success formula is the way to go, guys. It is the way to go. Okay. You want to get in this program, you should see this table. Stuff is everywhere. Okay. We got money everywhere. So, guys, get with me. Let me get you in our group. Let me get you started. I've been doing direct mail since 2013. Okay, so I know this very well. And I can get you, I'm going to give you leads if you come in at level 2 or higher. So we're going to take care of that for you. And then going forward as you do your mailings, okay, we're going to give you some mailing companies that you can use. Okay, so let's see what we got. 100, 200, okay, 300, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60. A $460 day, guys. That's what just happened here. $460. Okay? So, are you ready to get started? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Then you can get these packages in the mail. If you have any questions, give me a call. Click that link below. Go ahead and get the sales letter. Check it out. And give me a call if you have any questions, guys. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.